This Moroccan tomato salad is loaded with fresh herbs, onion, spices, and it comes together in just 10 minutes. The first and most important step is dicing the veggies. So I like to cut my tomatoes this way because it makes it really easy to remove the seeds and any of that liquid on the inside. Now, this is totally up to personal preference. You do not have to do this. If you enjoy the seeds of the tomatoes, feel free to leave them in. I do find from family to family, the size of the dice on these tomatoes can vary greatly. So if you like to make them really small, that's up to you. If you want bigger slices, you can feel free to do that as well. Now, when it comes to dicing the red onion, I really do encourage you to try and make the slices or the dice, the chop, as small and fine as possible because this just really packs a lot of strong flavor. And I think the smaller the dice, the more evenly distributed that flavor gets in the salad. And finally, we'll mince up some parsley and cilantro. And I like to get this finely diced as well. It just, again, helps distribute that flavor better. And from here, you are ready to assemble. So we're just going to add our tomatoes, our onion, both of those herbs, and our spices. So for spices, we're doing cumin, pepper, and salt, and then a good healthy drizzle of high quality olive oil. Everything gets mixed together. And from there, you are ready to serve this. So traditionally, we enjoy this dish in my family as a side salad, accompanying tagines or an entree, usually during dinner or lunch. It's really delicious with fresh bread, and I have a recipe for Moroccan halved bread if you are interested. It's also really delicious with kefta, red meat, you name it. I hope that you give this salad a try. Again, it takes just 10 minutes and it is so full of flavor. Bismillah.